Hi guys, sorry I couldn't be here today, but I want to make sure you knew exactly what to do. So let's take a look. As soon as you get here today, you should be going to Teams to pull up the instructions for the project. And after, if you're not already in OneView or you don't see the waffle, make sure you go to oneview.duvalschools.org, and then you're going to click the waffle and go to PowerPoint. Most of you did PowerPoint. A few of you did Sway, but most of you did a PowerPoint. And it should be in your recent down here. Make sure you don't click on the bottom line. Make sure you click on the top line. And then you should be able to get to your presentation. Make sure that you're not editing the same slide as your partner, or you will undo whatever they're doing. We don't want to do that. So you want to make sure you finish it today. And just to give you guys a quick reminder about what should be in your presentation, remember you need the results of your interviews, so hopefully you did them, an overview of the events from 9/11, so tell me like what happened. You don't have to put every single event on there, but just give me like a quick overview, and then how America has changed since 9/11. So that should be either from your interviews or research or both. And then of course pictures, so make it pretty, right? And also I want to make sure you guys knew under your assignment, if you scroll down, I put some reference materials for you. This is the project instructions. This is a timeline that gives you pretty much everything that happened, so you can kind of pick and choose the most important things. And then this is a link to the History Channel, and that has videos and picture galleries if you want to use them for your presentation. And you can also find some stuff on YouTube, but most of the good stuff is under this History Channel. So hopefully you guys can figure it all out. I know you can. And that you behave for the sub, and I will see you guys tomorrow.